Okay, so this is a quick video about this Chinese heat pump dryer. This is a 7 kilogram model, which is pretty big. Here is the control, it's digital. Basically, this is superpower. This is automatic. It does have detection, which is quite convenient. It's just warm. Timer, of course. Yeah, it's got the UV light feature, which is real, by the way. You can see the LEDs here. And if I use a flashlight, you can actually see there is a real UV LED inside. Okay, let's turn it off for now. And let's take a look of the inside. I didn't find any other video showing the internal of a heat pump version of this. So yeah, let's take a look. Here is the water reservoir, which by the way isn't really working, so that's why I took it apart. You can see the main board is actually down there, but I think it's not really the best place to put it since, well, the water is just above it. But well, I guess it'll be fine for normal operation. But yeah, still it's just bad practice. Here's the condenser. Here's the temperature humidity sensor for the auto detect. Here you can see the fan. It is just like any other traditional dryer with like one motor driving both. As you can see, this is just on a single shaft, but the motor can rotate in both directions. Just I think the machine will shut down the heater when it's counter-rotating, because when it's counter-rotating it can't blow any air out. The centrifugal fan is not really symmetric, so it can only work in one direction. Here is the motor capacitor. The other capacitor, I'm not entirely sure what it's for, but it may be for a compressor, or a normal compressor do not need a capacitor, so I'm not sure. Here here's the expansion valve. This is going the condenser, going out. There, the evaporator is back there. Here you can see there's a cooling fan, and the compressor is not very easy to see, but well, I can get in there. Yeah, there's the compressor behind the motor. By the way, these pipes and the condenser and evaporator are real copper ones, so it's actually pretty nice. The motor, I'm not sure about it though, can't really see it. Maybe I can put the camera inside to see it. you can see it now, but I can't. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty much it. It worked pretty well for normal clothing. For some type, it's not really easy to dry. It'll take longer, but it still works. It does leak out some humid air outside, unfortunately. I'm not sure if it's the unit is defective or it's normal, but it's not completely vent free, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.